Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Macro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the aspect ratio we have to go to more settings. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and as you can see it opens as the advanced camera settings. At the first position we have the photo size, so let's tap on this, and here we have the ratio and the resolution. So for now we are interested in ratio, and we can pick from 4:3, 16:9 and 19:9. So let's go to 16:9. Here as you can see we have the preview, and also it changes in the camera app here. So this is how it looks like, and let's go back to it and tap on the 19:9. So as you can see here also it changes, and also this is how it looks like here. So this is the full screen ratio in this device, and let's go back. We can also go back to 4:3, which was the original one. So this is how it changes here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.